and we'll just get into the greenhouse to show you what's occurring at the moment. So we've got lots and lots of seeds growing. These are lettuce. I mean, you can't stop lettuce growing. They never stop, do they? If you asked about the old onions, I basically used just a weak soapy solution on them and washed them off. So, and they're doing really well actually. Nice long plants. Roots are coming through the bottom there, so they really need potting onto a bigger pot. Dahlias are here. Looks like they're just about starting to shoot, so that should be good. This is garlic. I think we've got 2 or 3 different types. This is Italian white. Red Sun, is it shallots? Let's have a look. So, yeah, Red Sun. They're doing really well, aren't they? Got some purple white garlic there, and some more purple white garlic there. So that's just on there. The peas, well, they're starting to sprout. They've gone mad, they have. Nothing on the French beans yet. Onion seeds, Red Baron, nothing on those yet. Better take that off of there. More French beans, nothing happening there. We've got coriander and cayenne peppers and chilies. Multi-head cabbages. Oh, look at that, just started to grow. One there, one there, one there, one there. So that's large heads. That's good. More dahlias down the bottom. Got some beans there, but nothing happening. Some more beans. More peppers. Lots more peppers there and more peppers there. But they all go down the allotment into a warm bed, so that's quite good. They've got some hanging baskets made. They're underneath the staging at the moment, sort of just staying out of the way. There's another one over there. They should look quite good. And we've got to just move the pressure washer out of the way. Marigolds. These are marigold seeds. They're just companion planting really when they germinate. Oh, we've got a courgette up by the look of it. Just one starting there. That's good. Oh yeah, patty pan just starting there. They're quite nice. We like them. Got some more dahlia seeds there. Actually, dahlias from seed. Boogie night, sort of a mauve and white. As you can see, we've got lots of broccoli and kale. That's coming really well, that is. Bit more lettuce there. And hello. Oh, these are just started. These are beans. We had some old beans left over. Just a selection. Don't really know what they were. Just threw them in a tray, and we're seeing what comes up really. We put some lady dyes in here. Just sort of see them there. Haven't started to germinate yet, but they will do. And they'll be our main bean crop for this year. Obviously the chitty potatoes, they really have to be going in now. Oh, bit heavy that one. As you can see, they're all doing really well, got nice shoots on them. So hopefully this week I'll get them into the allotment. And we've got a few more down here. These are sunflowers. Nothing coming up. A couple of stray lettuce there come up. Sweet peas are growing. What have we got here? That's basil and rosemary, and I think this one's all beetroot. I think this is the next one. Yeah, this one's all beetroot. This one is. So we should have a good selection of beetroot when they start to come up. Well, that's just sort of a quickie of the greenhouse at the moment. Everything seems to be okay, and it's 67 degrees in here at the moment, so it's not too cold really. Well, that'll do it for today, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks very much. Bye then.